This is the question that I posted yesterday. It's the 5th grade math question. It's a very common math question at this grade level. And the question is in Serbian, but I'm going to translate it in English. So, the shop sold a certain amount of cherries in the morning, and they sold twice as much in the afternoon. The question was, how many cherries they sold in the morning, if in total they sold 36 kilograms for that day. Now, I'm going to go step by step, and I'm going to show how I'm going to approach this type of problem and math in general. I like to do things in a chronological order, logically. So follow me on this journey. Now, the most important thing here is that we have to underline the information that we have. We know that they sold twice as much cherries in the afternoon, and they sold 36 kilograms in total. So if we do not know how much they sold in the morning, for the unknown, we usually use the letter X to symbolize that we do not know what the number is. But we know something else about this problem. It says that they sold twice as much, which means 2 times X, right? Now, altogether, X plus 2X is going to give us 36. That's the total amount that they sold. Now, I like to approach mathematics logically, and I'm going to translate it as a language as I like to use it in my class. I would usually say, I have some number, I double that number, and I add everything together, and it gives me 36. Now, when I combine all this in the front, it's going to give me 3x. It's equal 36. Now, once I have that, I can read this question as, I have some number, I multiply that number by 3, and it gives me 36. In order to get to 36, I have to multiply by 3. So in order to figure out what the x is, I need to divide this number by 3. And this is, by the way they do it here. So we divide things by 3, and if we divide on one side, we have to divide on the other side. And the reason is, this symbol means these two sides are equal, and this is a true statement. This is one of the main fundamental things when it comes to equations. Every equation is a true statement as given. So if we multiply things on one side, we have to make that statement true again, and in order to do that, we need to divide both sides, in this case by 3. If we divide both sides by 3, 3 divided by 3 is only 1, so x is equal 12. And 12 is the number that makes this statement true.